Subliminal TV.
Good morning, guys. Good afternoon. Good evening, depending on where you're at in the world. Actually, this is my first time recording from the little setup that I'm working on in the RV. So I'm setting up a desk in the RV so that I can have sort of a studio space when I'm traveling around, so that I can be comfortable with my recording and not just be random. So I'm still trying to find what angle I want to use. So yeah, you're back at Subliminal TV. My name is Eric. If this is your first time, thanks for joining me. If you've been here before, welcome back. So you guys hear me talk all the time about how I'm not only into cars and motorcycles, but I'm also into RVing. And I bought an RV some years ago, and I've been doing some renovating for years. And it's funny, when I bought this RV, I thought I was gonna be working on it for like 3 months, 6 months, maybe. I bought it in 2018. I'm still working on it. Now, granted, even though I thought it was gonna be a shorter measure of time, there are a lot of things that in between I changed my mind on, and I said, well, I'm gonna do this instead of this, especially my bathroom. For the longest time, I was gonna tear the bathroom completely out, and I decided not to do that. Then I decided I wanted to do that. Then I decided not to do that. And I finally came up with an idea because I thought that the corner shower, I don't know, I feel like I was losing a little floor space. Long story. I have another video I'm working on where I'm talking about the complete RV situation or rebuild, renovation. So I'm not gonna get into all that now. And so it took a lot of time, and I'm okay with that. I'm really proud of where it's coming. I'm actually almost at a place where I can say it's finished, if that's ever a thing. You know, projects are never really finished. But anyway, back to what I was saying. What I wanna get back to is what this video is about, because I'm rambling about the RV in general, and that's because I just like RVing. I'm fascinated with RVing. I don't know, it's something about the idea of being off-grid. I love it. What we're here today about is I upgraded my headlights. Now, I didn't intend to paint the RV. That wasn't really in my plans when I was going to do a full renovation. But as I began to get farther along on the progression of it, the inside, I was thinking, the inside is going to be so nice, and then the outside just blah. And it was blah. And the longer I had it and it sat in the sun, the age of the paint started to show. It had some peeling on the bottom base, and I could have sanded it down and clear coated it, but no. So I decided that I wanted to paint it. So before I painted it, I knew already that the headlights were looking a little dingy. Once I did paint it, the headlights were bad. You know, the new paint, the old lights, it looked bad. So found out what headlights the RV has, found some aftermarket ones, found out soon after I found them that they were on back order. So as I'm looking at it, I'm thinking to myself, something has to change. I took them out. I went through the process of baking them in the oven. I painted them. I even added LED strips to them. I sanded down the lenses. I sprayed clear coat over those lenses after I sanded it. And guess what? In the end, it still looked like After some time passed, I finally got the aftermarket ones, and I put those in. It made a very big difference. I love how the new lights look. They're brighter, of course, because the headlights are LED. It looks way better. I do have LED lights all around the RV. I did like the clearance lights in LED, the side markers in LED. The only thing I haven't done LED yet are the tail lights. I have upgraded headlights in the RV, and I like it. So soon, I will be showing a video and a full reveal of what I'm doing with the RV. It's always like, okay, I'm gonna do this one more thing, and then I'm gonna do a video for the RV. Okay, one more thing. Oh, I got another idea, I'm gonna do this one more thing. So that always happens, and I never get around to showing the RV. Even though I'm not done with it completely, or I'm gonna think of other things I wanna do, I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm just gonna do the video and show the RV, because I'm proud of it, and I wanna show it to you guys, and show you guys, this is what I'm gonna be carrying the Ducati around on this. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, the notification bell, so that you can see whenever I'm sharing my adventures and my journey. I really enjoy sharing my journey. I enjoy doing these videos for you guys, even though I miss a day sometimes that I'm supposed to be recording. I gotta do better about that. But hey, I enjoy making these videos, and I appreciate you guys for being here. Again, I'm Eric, this is Subliminal TV, and I appreciate you being here. Thank you. Peace.
Subliminal TV.